Alright, so it's opening day, and got some great water conditions here. And hopefully these guys aren't going to try and cock block me. Got here second, they should get on with it. Are you really going to cock block in front of me? I'm going all the way up to the next section, guys. So that's a yes. Great. Well, I guess we'll just hop, skip, and jump each other. These little guys can't bite a 15. There's one. All right. Nice brookie. All right, first fish on the opener. Pretty brookie. Some nice brown here. What a tanker of a brown. Fat, fat fish, wow. Easy dude. Okay, so here's a real fat brown. Wow. And as much as I'd like to take this guy out of here, I'm not keeping any fish today. This is a female, and I can feel some of the eggs already starting in her. And this fish goes 16 and a half. Beauty. Beautiful fish. All right. There's another one. It's another psychopathic brown trout. Right in the same spot. And for the length of this guy, another fat, fat fish. Wow. This guy's maybe 12. He's a chunk. He's a little beat up. Definitely a chunk. About 11 or 12. Oh, and there was a brown. There goes a beaver. There goes a beaver. Huh. Alright, so there are fish feeding all over the place. And I think I'll catch one if I can get a cast in here. There he, oh, and that was a nice brookie. I think it was a brookie. He ain't coming again, he got stuck. And again, maybe he will. He's trying to feed. feed. Jesus. This guy's gonna bite again. It's a brown over the tree limb. That's the first one I saw. Very cool. Guy's about 11 or 10, 12, yeah, something like that. Wouldn't bother measuring a fish like that. Here's our fish. This is a nice brookie. Pliers will help extricate this guy safely. There we go, he's out nice and safe. Pretty brookie. About 8. There's a little brookie. Is it? Oh, it's a little brown. Just a tiny little brown. Alright, it's opening day, folks. Was out earlier, caught a few fish.
Now we're looking for a big
We're
boy.
looking for a big.
Minnesota harvest started a month ago, so I got trout sitting in the fridge. Just put on the smoker when I get home.
Yep.
So even if
I don't need to keep any today either.
If I
If I
one,
die,
I'll
yeah,
throw 'em in the
if one's
freezer.
gonna die, I'll take them, but we're past the point where we gotta let a injured fish go,
Yeah.
which is nice, because it does happen. And we shake a big one out of here. There we go.
Yay. In the money.
It's a little brown.
Hitting the big fucking...
No, it's a brookie. No, it's a brown.
That's a rainbow, dude.
Is it a rainbow?
Sure is.
Oh yeah, sure is. Look at the stripe.
Yep. Probably from the lake. They stocked that with rainbows.
Yeah.
Looks like you got him deep. You might have to throw that one on the
It's not too bad. It's jaw on both sides.
string. I'm just seeing blood on his belly. So.
Oh, are you already?
Yeah. Oh, there's another fish in there. Yeah, he's bleeding.
Don't suppose we need much of a...
Whatever, if it's got a pink stripe, it means
Jeez, oh yeah, he's dead.
It's not going to be dogs in the rainbow.
He's dead. He's a goner. Oh, string him. Yeah, so a little rainbow hits the giant spinner.
The giant fire tiger. You can see the steelhead. There's another fish in there swiping at me.
This guy's bleeding pretty bad. I'll get him rinsed off and then I'll get you a look, because he's got a beautiful stripe, really, for a stocker.
Yeah, like I said, I think he's been in the river for a little while.
And you can see the... You can definitely see the stripe on him.
Yeah. His fins aren't super beat up. He's been in the water a little while, I think. Hard to know. Yeah, he's bleeding like a motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah, he ain't good.
Here's what's hatching. Just landed on me.
What is it?
Stonefly.
Stonefly?
Right here.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Stonefly.
Hell yeah.
Off the back of my neck.
All right.
Yeah,
Nice.
Need a bow for your stringer?
No.
What's that?
Yeah, how bad is he? How bad is he?
Fine.
Yeah, toss him back.
Really nice fish. This is right at the 18. Never hit it. Just watch. Bow.
Another bow.
That's a better one though.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one.
So weird. I realized there were any bows here.
And true to form, this guy's eating the whole damn thing. So we'll put him on the stringer, but again, another... Oh no, that's a brookie. Yeah, I don't think he's so bad. No. There you go. Nice brookie, huh? Yeah, nice fat one. Wow, that's a super brookie. What did he hit? 2 feet before the ground? 2 feet before the bank?
No, he was right in the middle there.
Huh. Nice. So,
Nice
Shebs
chunker,
just
14.
caught a decent brown here.
Finally on the trifecta. Now I've got a brown, a brookie, and a rainbow today. These,
It's a nice fish.
yeah, no, this would be a perfect eater fish right here if you want him. It's right about 14, chunky. This hooked pretty clean, so we'll put him back unless you want him.
No, put it back. Although I suppose I am cutting fish. Let's keep them. If I'm going to cut fish, I might as well cut it more than one.
Yeah. Yeah, this is right about 12. Female by the looks of things. There we go.
All right.
A nice chunker brown. God, this thing is shaped like a freaking football. And there he goes. He's right in the middle of this trench. Oh, better one.
Nice. Right at my feet. Nice.
Woo.
Looks
Jesus,
set.
this thing is,
Looks 17, obese.
looks to be about 15, 16 to me.
Oh, really?
Buddy. Holy shit.
What color you got?
What's that?
What color you got?
Red, gold, with the red prism tape. Jesus, that's a fatty. That one is 17, 16 and a half.
Beauty.
Just absolutely fat too.
Beauty, beauty, beauty.
It's gold with that red prism tape.
There he
on it,
goes
red
over.
tail.
There he goes over there. You can see him in the water. Well, we got some surgery here. Shebs found himself a nice fish, but it scarfed the whole damn thing. It's really a surgical move, nothing else. Fish is
just put this on your
deader than
stringer?
a doornail. You can, sure.
I mean, I don't really want it, so.
Yeah, sure.
We've got 2 at home still. This would be a nice, like you say, if you're cutting fish, might as well cut some fish.
Yeah, no, I'm with you on that.
I just wanted to get that lure back. It's been working so well. You just feeding it through and then just leaving them?
Yeah, that'll be fine. That sucker's deader than a doornail.
Yeah. Look how fat that thing is, though.
Yeah, big fish. Very big fish.
Well, that was a fish.
There you go. Nice fish. Rainbow?
Shaking his head like a rainbow, but he looks like a brookie.
Yeah, heck yeah, nice fish.
Yeah, look at the spot for this guy.
Oh yeah, how cool.
Just bright fire engine red.
Very cool.
Right out of the door. That one?
That's a nice one.
Nice.
Decent brown. It's hooked on the nose. Chunky fish again, holy cow.
What's that?
Look at that chunker.
Oh yeah, he's got a little scar on him too.
Yeah.
Back quarter
Yeah.
there. Yep. Iron strike.
It's about 14 and a half, 15. Fat guy. Wow.
They always look longer when they're this fat.
That's a fat fish.